So for integrals, there are four main ways to solve a difficult problem. The first one is just it can be a simple problem that just uses a formula. Second is to use U substitution. The third is to use long division and then U substitution if needed. And then the fourth is separating the numerator into different fractions and then using U substitution if needed. So here's just a simple example where the integral of a to the x is just 1 over ln of a times a to the x plus c. So this is just one of those, just you need to know the formula. Okay, for this one, I just wrote the u a little bit out of screen. It's going to be u equals 2x plus 14. Then you just use u substitution, so you get the integral of 1 over u du, which is just ln of absolute value of u plus c, which is a formula we're given. And then you just substitute the u back in, and you get the ln of absolute value of 2x plus 14. Don't forget to sub back in the u, that's a common mistake. So now here I've been giving a problem that looks very easy to divide using synthetic division, so that's what I'm doing right here. Then you take what you have synthetically divided and you take the integral of each individual piece. So the integral of x dx, the integral of 2 dx, minus the integral of 9 over 2 plus x dx. And then the rest is just taking the integral of each individual piece, adding them all together. A common mistake here would be to accidentally mix up integral and derivative. Always make sure you are taking the right one at the right time because it can mess up the entire answer. So for this problem, it looks easiest to separate the numerator out into 3 separate fractions that you can take the antiderivative of each one. So then we get 2/3 x cubed, 1/2 x squared, plus 5 ln absolute value of x. That's just a formula we have. And that is just how you separate the pieces of a fraction. So for this one, there's actually defined limits on u. So when we use u substitution, you can actually replace these limits with them subbed into the u equation as x. So that's how you get the -7 and the -8, which then you can just use u substitution without having to sub back an x. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and make sure to try the worksheet in the link below the video.